To supply 240 volts 30 amps from a Bulldog Pushmatic panel, you need a 2-pole common trip breaker. Yes, 2-pole common trip breakers are available for Bulldog Pushmatic panels. The Bulldog Pushmatic panel is designed to accept both Bulldog and ITE breakers. ITE Push-O-Matic breakers will work in a Bulldog Pushmatic panel because they are the same size and shape. However, it is crucial to ensure that the ITE Push-O-Matic breakers have the correct voltage and amperage ratings for the application. A common trip breaker is a breaker that has 2 poles that are mechanically linked together. This design ensures that both poles will trip simultaneously in the event of an overload or short circuit, providing necessary safety. Here are the steps to install a 2-pole common trip breaker in a Bulldog Pushmatic panel. Firstly, turn off the main breaker or pull the fuse that supplies power to the panel to ensure that there is no live electricity running through the wires of the panel during the installation process. Secondly, remove the faceplate of the panel to gain access to the breakers inside. Thirdly, locate the 2 adjacent single-pole breaker spaces where you want to install the 2-pole breaker, making sure they are in a suitable position for the new breaker. Fourthly, remove the 2 single-pole breakers that are currently occupying the spaces where the 2-pole breaker will be installed. Fifthly, install the 2-pole common trip breaker in the 2 breaker spaces, firmly seating it into the panel. Sixthly, make sure that the common trip handle is in the off position before restoring power to ensure that the breaker does not trip immediately upon power restoration. Seventhly, reinstall the faceplate on the panel, ensuring it is securely fastened to protect the internal components. Eighthly, turn on the main breaker or fuse to restore power to the panel. It is important to note that if you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is recommended to hire a qualified electrician to install the 2-pole common trip breaker for you. Working with electricity can be dangerous, and it is best to leave it to a professional if you are unsure of what you are doing.